Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix this Google account is not yet associated with a device error. Alright, so let's begin. This issue is quite common, especially if you're using different Google accounts across your devices, but the fix is actually very simple. Before fixing the problem, let's quickly understand why it happens. This error usually appears when the Google account you're using on your PC is not the same account linked to the Play Store on your Android phone. Since Google requires at least one device association, your account must be active on an Android device before installing apps remotely. So, in order to fix this Google account not associated error, you have to follow these steps. First, open the Play Store or Google account section on your Windows 11 system. Then click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From here, simply click on sign out of the current Google account. Now, once you've signed out, go ahead and log in again, but this time make sure you use the same Google account that is already logged into the Play Store on your Android phone. This step is very important because it links your account properly with your device. After logging in with the correct account, try installing the app again. Click on the install button and this time you should see that the app starts downloading without any errors. If you're still facing the issue, make sure your Android phone has an active internet connection and that the Play Store has been opened at least once using that account, and that's it. This is how you can fix this Google account is not yet associated with a device error. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.